In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make a t-shirt in Roblox on mobile device. First, launch your Roblox app, navigate to the More page. Now head over to the option Create. This used to require a third-party website, but now you can do everything directly inside the Roblox app. Once you are in the Create section, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Switch from Home to Creations. From here, select Avatar Item. After opening Avatar Item, scroll down and go to Classic section. Make sure Classic T-shirts is selected under the filters. Since this is the option that allows you to create a t-shirt, click on Upload Asset, choose Photo Library and select the image you want to use for your t-shirt. Give it a name, likewise add something to description. Click on Upload Image. Once the image has been uploaded, click on it. Now toggle on for the option On Sale. Set a price. Choose how many Robux you want to charge, for example 10 Robux. Then tap Publish Item and confirm by selecting Pay and Publish. Once that's done, go to your avatar on your device and equip the new t-shirt you just created. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.